Right, hello, it's time for another video about Production Line, my lovely little car factory sim game. Oh, let me get it actually running, there we go. Right, so what you're looking at now is version 1.18, although it's not entirely finished yet. And, you know, we have exciting news. If you haven't sort of kept up with things, we've released a trailer, a kind of like teaser trailer, for going into early access, which we are going to do very soon. I have a date. Let me tell you the date. 18th. It's the 18th of this month. So yeah, not very long at all. So and when we do that, the price is going to go up. It's going to go up to $15.99. We'll probably put the price up just a day beforehand, just so it's all synchronized. At the moment, it's still $13. And that patch will have loads of other stuff in that, so that's also why we're putting the price up a bit. So I'm going to talk about all the stuff that is new. Blah blah blah. Oh, we finally have really properly fixed this whole thing with loans where they'd sometimes be 0. I really think we fixed that this time. The music's been remastered, blah blah. We have a new system of pop-ups, event notification pop-ups, which will come up here at some point. Hopefully, as I'm playing. Actually, let's just check if that's going to be the case. No, I'm far too late in the game to do that. So I'll show you that in another game in a minute. But this is different. Look, the user interface has been sort of done up a bit. This is the new look for research and development. And if I look at production slots, let's pick one that's actually been worked on. Let's pick that one. They look like this. This is because the look of stuff is going to change quite a bit. There's going to be a lot more black with white text, frankly, especially on that sort of thing. I think it looks a lot better already, and we really haven't sort of got going with it. But hopefully you'll like the look of the sort of GUI when it's finished. When we go into early access, we'll still have a sort of mix of what you have now and the new thing, so it'll kind of look like this. A nicer GUI is on the way. What other stuff do we do? You can now manufacture sensors, just due to some research screw up. I think I am actually making them somewhere. That's seats. I'm sure I put down a thing to make them. Is that it? I'm making servos there. Anyway, it's somewhere. We also fixed some routing stuff. The routing is better than it used to be. And one of the things that was fixed is when you put down a new manufacturing slot, sometimes for a few minutes it would start importing stuff from the wrong location. That's fixed. Something that is completely new is this. These things that look like car wash stuff. This is where your paint gets polished. Hopefully one day this will all animate, we don't know. Depends how difficult it is. So this is a new optional thing that you research. There's a new researchable thing under paint. Polish paintwork. It's a new thing you can put down. And it's new on here. Where would it be? Would it be technology? No, it wouldn't. It would be processes, wouldn't it? Polished paintwork. There you go. It's on there. So that's a completely new thing. Oh yeah, we have a new upgrade. If you find that your bottleneck is actually selling stuff, we have a new upgrade called Expedited Sales. I don't know if you saw there, but it added some people and some filing cabinets. We don't want the other one if the other one's not already done. Yes, they got like 2 people there. And if I do the upgrade, you get extra sales stuff. Anyway, it just makes it quicker. Quite like that. Oh, there you go. Look, down there. Look, game has been autosaved. This is like a little pop-up notice. What else do we have? Blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah. If you've ever seen that bug where loads of resources, when you just load a game, seem to fly all over the place and go like diagonally, that's fixed. We have done some balancing changes to the rate at which the AI researches stuff. so it's a lot more sensible now. Probably one of the big things is we have the compact car. This here, look, check it out with its ugly spoiler. This here is a compact car. Now, do I have any... Oh, this is new. I changed this as well. So there you go. It's a little, like, 2-door, effectively 3-door thing. So you have a new option now. So we have the sedan, we have the compact car, and then we've got an SUV. So that is just like the SUV in terms of researching it. And I've got yeah. So I'm alternating here: 10 sedans, 10 SUVs, 10 compacts. So you know that's pretty fun and new. Obviously, you can't tell what it's like there. So yeah, we've got three types of car now. Kind of cool. What else have we done? We've done loads of stuff. Oh, there was a little graphical thing. If you ever saw a little white box when you zoomed out like this and it was up here in the corner, that's gone. Blah 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 blah. I don't know if we've changed anything else for version 1.18. What I should show you is this event stuff, because the event stuff has changed a lot and it's made the game a lot much better balanced. So basically the AI will research technology, and if you don't research technology you will become out of date. Now if I look at a car that we've got in the showroom, let me just pause the game so that they stay here. I much prefer this look to the showroom. I don't know what you think. So this shows that the stuff that's in white, like LED headlights, that's stuff that we're getting the normal price for. If it's red, oh hang on, no, am I getting this confused? It's awful that I'm confused, isn't it? Basically, if it's a dark red, that means it's a universal tech that we do not have. Okay, so we actually get penalised if you're trying to sell a car in whatever year this is without an aluminium body and electric windows, Bane's choice. Then not only would you not get any benefit for having those features, but you're actually penalised $250 for each one. So this car's worth $500 less than it should be because we don't have these essential features. These features here, these are common enough, the ones in the sort of pinky colour, that you don't get any value for them. They're assumed to be there. These are universal. These are, I can't remember what I call it in the game now. But basically if it's pink you're not getting any value for it. If it's white you are actually getting the proper value. So if I look at a compact car, it's a bit confusing, I need to explain it better, don't I? It's much easier to see here actually. So yeah, the market value of adaptive cruise control is nothing because people expect it. With a leather interior, the market value is $655. Now I'm selling this car at 10% premium, so I'm actually charging more than that. I'm charging $720, and because I'm not selling that many cars and I'm not in a hurry, I can get away with it. Now what I'm going to do is go to an earlier game. I'm going to quit that. But I load if I load this, I should be able to load this. Yeah, this is a really early game. Really, well, it's a relatively early game, right? If I go into here now and pause. So here we go, tyre pressure sensors, air conditioning and driver airbag. I've researched them before the competition, so I actually get like a bonus for that. So if I go here, you'll see air conditioning, $2,373. That's what it's worth. But we're getting at a 110% premium. 50% of that is because I've set a premium for the car anyway. If I reduce that down to 0, you'll see what I mean. So I'm actually getting a 40% premium on air conditioning, tyre pressure sensors and driver airbag, which is good. So I'm earning loads of money on that. I just get the standard price on stuff that's white, and stuff that's expected here is worth nothing. It's a little bit confusing, I guess, but this is the only way I can have all the mechanics I want in the game working properly. So if I look at the research screen, you can see stuff that I can't research yet that is red because I haven't done the prerequisite. Stuff that I have researched, which is green, and stuff that I am researching, car alarm. So if we look at these icons here, that's where's a good example there. That's been researched by a few of the competitors, but not all of them. That's been researched by most of the competitors. That's been researched by everyone. So that's universal, that's common, that's rare. If there's no symbol, it's very rare. Hopefully that makes sense. We'll have a lot more like tutorial pop-ups and stuff like that to explain it. And it's kind of like a key part of the game that, yeah, you have to lay out a decent factory for your cars, and you have to be on top of like all of the process stuff. But you also have to be researching technology, because you don't want everyone else to okay, let's pick another one. See, what I should do probably is something. I should probably do sunroof. I should do sunroof now, because if we look here, we'll see that not having a sunroof is holding me back. And then when I've researched it, obviously I have to implement it. So I have to find wherever it is that I'm doing roof and actually put that down. I've explained that incredibly badly, which is why we have proper tutorials planned and guides, stuff like that. But hopefully it makes sense. Hopefully it makes sense. Anyway, so that is the new stuff that is in at the moment. I also want to talk about what we're going to be doing. We have this sort of voting stuff on the main menu of the game, so we ask you what you think that we should work on. And one of the things that's come up, marketing is something that we want to put in and do properly. One of the other things is the kind of logistics and logic control. So I want to know what people think about that, because I presume what annoys people is when you have not enough resources at a slot, and on a very complicated layout, you need all the resources to get there on time, and it's very difficult. And at the moment, you don't have much say in the layout of these things. So, for example, if I put a line like that, it joins all of them, so you get like a mesh. And that makes it a little bit hard to direct stuff to a single location. Now, I don't know if people want me to change that or not. Another option would be more expensive resource conveyors that went at a higher speed. We could do that. We could have more expensive resource importers that import at a faster rate, that actually put stuff on the hooks at a faster rate. I don't know what people think about that. Of course, the other side of this whole kind of logic thing is, say we take fit steering assembly. Let's pick something that we've upgraded. We may not have done many upgrades here. Oh, well, let's fit a car alarm. So one of the things that I suspect people might like when they talk about the whole like logic and logistics stuff is, do we want controls here that say, yeah, fit a car alarm, but only to sedans, or only to SUVs, or only to compact cars, or only to cars that already have some other feature? Because if you did do that, then you could create like the premium sedan, the cheap sedan, stuff like that. Is that what people want? Is that something that people want me to concentrate on putting into the game soon? It's really interesting to know. It's really helpful to know what you think we should do. Now, I haven't noticed, but maybe you may have noticed a pop-up on research, but it could be that I'm so far behind. This is an old game before I adjusted it, that the AI is kind of taking a back seat and letting me research stuff. Anyway, you get pop-ups down here, trust me, telling you when some research has been done. It's a new thing that will be in the next version of the game. Anyway, that was incoherent and rambling, wasn't it? Not particularly professional. So it's not long now until the game goes into early access. So that will be on Steam Early Access. If you buy the game now, or if you've already bought the game, we've already got Steam keys for you. You will get them. I just need to talk to Humble about that. We're also planned to be on GOG's Games in Development, I think it's called, on the same day. That's on the 18th. Don't forget to watch the trailer. Don't forget to like the trailer. if you're on Facebook, we have a Facebook page and you can review the game on there, just out of 5. That's very appreciated if you could vote on that, or vote this video up on Twitter and Facebook and Reddit and stuff like that. Yay. Anyway, I'm excited about loads of new GUI stuff that we're going to be working on, and just excited about seeing it on early access and stuff like that. Thanks for watching this video. This is the Car Factory Simulation game production line, in case you're wondering what on earth you're watching. I'm Cliff Harris. I am Cliffy. I am the programmer and designer of the game. So if you've got any questions about any aspect of how it works, I am the person, because I coded it all. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll do another video next week. Thank you.